right? That was just a simple technique called horizontal practice applied to a song. And this technique, my friends, is so important if you want to master the piano in 2026. The good news is super easy to do because it's based on chords and takes only 5 to 10 minutes a day. Let's see. Horizontal practice is when you spread out the chords you already know throughout the octaves. For example, I'm playing this C major, and then I'm playing exactly the same notes, but in different octaves. Looks like a simple idea, in fact it is, but I guarantee the results are huge. And to be easier to follow this lesson at home, make sure to download the PDF file for free. The link is in the description down below. So, to use this technique, we have two ways. The first one, let's use the A minor chord as an example. A, C, E with A. You can play just a single note or doing octaves like this. And the trick are the fingers. You play A with the first, C second, E with third, and then just repeat the A with your pinky, your fifth, like this. Instead of you play like this or E like this, you play 1, 2, 3, and 5. Talking about the fingers, like this. And for the pattern, you start to play everything together, just the 3 first notes, like this. 1, 2, and then now you play these 3 last notes by using this pinky as well. So we change this A to this A. So everything together sounds like this. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. One more. Now counting the tempos. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Of course, you can move your entire hand like this. But if you're a beginner, this card could be a little bit challenging for you to play like this. So that way it's be a lot easier just to move your fingers like this. And of course, you can apply the same technique in other chords. For example, F major. So F, A, C with F, single note, or doing octaves like this. And make sure to repeat the F on the top like this. And again, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Let's hear both chords, A minor and then F major. Moving the position of the hand. And by the way, if you're looking for a piano course, especially for beginners, I'll leave a link of my course in the description down below. Back to the lesson, the second way to play this horizontal practice, it's moving around doing more inversions. What I mean, A minor again, so A, C, A. In this time, you're gonna move this A to the top like this and moving our hands as well. And then you do it again, moving this C to the top like this. And then again, this E to the top like this. Playing all movements we have here, 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 and here. This in music it's called inversions, chord inversions. The first one, because we have the A being our first note, it's called root position. So root, and then first inversion, second inversion, and then root position again. And every time you play those inversions, play again the left hand. Repeat the left hand. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. For F major, exactly the same thing. So F major is over here. Move this F to the top like this A again to the top, and this C to the top as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But the real magic happens, my friends, when you combine these two patterns, the first one and the second one. And to be more interesting to combine those patterns, as an example, I'm using the song Help by the Beatles. And the key of G, the chords are A minor, that we already did, F major, we did as well, and the new one, D major, D, F sharp, A with D, and G major, G, B, D with G. And the trick is super simple. Just play the first pattern for the vocals. What I mean, when you have the vocals, just throw the first one, and when you have space without the vocals, play the second pattern. For example, in this song, we have space to play 3 times the first pattern, so we sound like this. 1, 2, 3, and then the second. One more time slow. First repetition, second repetition, third, second way. And then you move accordingly to the chord progression. In this case, F major. So F major is exactly the same thing. I'm gonna play 3 times and then the second way to play the horizontal practice. 1, 2, 3, 4. D major, exactly the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. And G major. 1, 2, 3, 4. And keep going. This, it's a technique you can apply in every song that you already know and every single chord. And to be easier to notice that, now I'm gonna play this song for you with the vocals doing exactly the same technique. During the first 3 times, the first pattern, and then the second way, the second pattern. Let's listen to it. Now to improve your technique like this, to learn that, just click on this video up here. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next tutorial. Ciao!